Today's Tiny Tidy, I am transforming this cabinet behind me into this. Hello friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am going to be cleaning out another cabinet in my kitchen. I can become very overwhelmed with having to do a lot at one time, so I am just doing one cabinet or one drawer at a time, and I am just taking you along with me. For this cabinet, I do have a few things. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use in this particular cabinet, but I did want to show you. I found two of these. I wish I had more. I might go back and pick up more at HomeGoods. They were $2.99 each, and they're clear and they have handles, and I think this will work so good for inside a cabinet or a pantry or even a fridge. And then I have this pretty basket that I picked up at Target for $5. So I know that in this particular cabinet, I need to store the coffee pods. I will probably use clear because my husband is the one that uses the coffee pods, and he tends to like to see. And I don't think he could really see in the basket, but I'm really not sure. But what I don't use in this one, I will use in other ones. As always, Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are put together by my sweet friend here on YouTube. Her name is Sunday Dawn, and her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with today's playlist in my description box below, and I hope that you find lots of homemaking, tiny tidying motivation today.
Is smiling so bright. Everyone snuggled so tight. The day is done, and soon you'll see the sun. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. You're safe in your bed. Let go of your thoughts and just rest your head. You've had a big day, and in the morning you'll start again. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your favorite things. Your favorite things. The birds are nestled in the trees, staying warm while the wind blows the leaves. Tomorrow they'll fly through the clouds in the...
So let's look at all the things that I pulled out of that cabinet, see if I have anything to declutter or throw away or anything like that. Let me just start. I have several Yeti cups. We do use these, so I'm going to hold on to all of those. So I will not go through each one. And we have a variety of different kinds. Some are for coffee, some are for cold drinks. I do notice this stack of cups, and I feel good about letting a couple of these go and only hanging on to these two. Sometimes we do put like popcorn or something if like we're having a snack in these cups, so I do want to hang on to a couple, but I'm going to throw these two away. I still like all of the coffee mugs. I occasionally change them out according to whatever season. However, I am ready to let go of this one. It's a Ray Dunn and it says coffee. The reason I am ready to let go of this one is because of the shape, and it just does not fit very well. So I am going to go ahead and declutter this one. Along with that one, at Valentine's Day, I always put out this black mug and it says Good Morning Handsome, but it is really showing a lot of wear and tear. And I have this one that says Good Morning Beautiful. I have this one that says Good Morning Gorgeous. So I'm going to hold on to this one for the Valentine's Day season, but I'm going to go ahead and let go of this one. I have these little plastic jars. I do use these for juicing occasionally, so I will hold on to these. And in this bowl, I have some hot chocolate and a coffee, so I will hold on to those. I have coffee, obviously I will hang on to that. And then I have a filter replacement, so I need to hold on to that. So I'm only letting go of a few things. Everything else I'm going to put back in. Oh, I'm going to throw away, like on the top two shelves, I had this stuff, like I had the shelf protecting stuff. However, I noticed anytime we would go to grab anything off of those shelves, this would try to come with it. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter these as well. So now let's put everything back in.
But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your favorite things. Your favorite things. The moon is smiling so bright.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive Wherever there's love, there's
Okay, so I just want to show you everything after. This bowl will probably end up moving in all honesty, but I'm just not sure yet. I have my bottles here. I would love to go back and get some more of these containers and actually corral the containers in the bottles in one of these containers, but I will have to see if I can find more. I have just an extra cup up here. I have 2 things of coffee. I have some coffee mugs and some cups. And then I have more coffee mugs and Yeti cups.
bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. Let me know in the comments if you tidied anything along with me. Also, I finally remembered to order a new tripod and I was using it to film this video, and there's a chance that you might see part of the tripod in most of the video because I'm still figuring out how to use it, and it was a user error and I did not figure out what was going on until near the end. But if you have something overwhelming, just break it down like I am doing into small manageable tasks, help you to achieve a big task in small little steps. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
So throw it all